everybody, how's it going? Well, it's that time of year again. Time to start painting holiday windows. I'm happy to announce my new book is out. Scott Campbell's Christmas Winter ebook. Just go to PayPal, click on Send Money, pay for goods or services, and then type in my email, scottcampbell@comcast.net. Then where it says notes, you can indicate Scott Campbell's Christmas Winter ebook. Now you can also order 2 books or also 3 books, because I have 3 books out now. So if you order 2 books, you get a little bit of a discount, and 3 books, you get even more of a discount. So the 3 books available are, as I just stated, Scott Campbell's Christmas Winter ebook, and then I also have Scott Campbell's Halloween sketchbook, and then my original book, which came out last year, which has actually done really well, by the way, and I want to thank everybody for that and all the response, is my beginning book, How to Paint Window Splashes, book 1. Anyway, so if you order 1 book, any of the 3 books, it's $15. If you order 2 books, you get 2 for $25, or if you want to order all 3, you get them for $36 for all 3 books. So when you put in on the note, if you want, say you want the Christmas book and the basic beginning book, you have to indicate that. You have to write Scott Campbell's Christmas Winter ebook and Scott Campbell's How to Paint Window Splashes book 1. If you want all 3, just put all 3 books, and I'll know because you've put $36 in the amount that you're going to get all 3 books. So yeah, just make sure you put all the information in the notes, and then so I'll know. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the new book, and if you haven't gotten the other books, you might want to get all 3 or 2 or whatever. Anyway, thanks so much for supporting me and watching the channel, and thanks for commenting, and I love the comments too. So I will talk to you later. All right, bye, and happy painting. Stay warm. You can hear the rain coming down, right? This is Oregon weather.